Yeah, hello everybody, and welcome to this presentation of building information modeling and intelligent process automation using the example of an automated assessment system for an autodidactic teaching concept. And thanks for the opportunity to participate once again in this excellent ISARC 2024 event, in which we want to follow up on our reports from previous years.
Yeah, firstly, a brief introduction of us, the presenters, and the project itself. The research results will be presented to you by Dr. Christian Heins, Research Assistant at the Jade University of Applied Science in Oldenburg. My name is Gregor Grunwald. I'm Professor of Design Planning and Construction Management at the Department of Architecture here in Oldenburg, and head of the project Aufladen, which will briefly be introduced to you. Aufladen is a German word with the meaning of charging and attempts to create an autodidactic teaching portal that enables students to learn the BIM planning methodology through self-study. Aufladen is funded by the Stiftung Innovation in der Hochschullehre and is presented on the website wissen-aufladen.de. It is a learning offer free of charge for students and all other interested parties. Since building information modeling requires the mastery of a number of software applications, the Learning Portal has a library of learning modules for learning a wide variety of software, such as CAD applications, software for model coordination, clash detection, communication on the model, and other tools. The learning modules consist of video and click tutorials that explain the use of the software step by step, accompanied by small tasks and sample solutions. We call these learning packages nuggets. They are available on the portal at any time. The core of the training portal is the BIM trainer. It teaches a collaborative way of working according to building information modeling. The BIM trainer guides students through the task of the roles involved in the planning process. In each course, they learn the working process of BIM authors, coordinators, managers, and BIM users, supported by an introduction to BIM theory, which is illustrated in the BIM fundamentals. To give an insight in one of the courses, in the BIM author course, for example, the 3D creation of a building is practiced, which is to be created in accordance with the specifications of the EIR. BIM Trainer and BIM Nuggets thus form a learning loop that is run through several times in order to familiarize oneself with and try out a BIM-based planning process from the perspective of different participants. This is where an automatic testing procedure comes in, which Christian Heins will now talk about in order to provide students with an assessment of their performance when completing the task.
Yeah, to have an automated check, we create an IPA-based portal. Intelligent process automation can be defined as a fusion of different technologies. The main technology in our case is the digital process automation, a holistic approach to end-to-end digitalization from automation of business processes. With the open integration layer of the DPA, we can combine different technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. By using AI and ML, IPA systems can recognize patterns in data, understand natural language, and make context-based decisions. Our main sub-technology is the robotic process automation. RPA bots are used to automate rule-based and repetitive tasks. They can perform actions and various systems. The DPA has a lot of process contents like time, alarms, process key figures, and templates. With all required data, we can automate computer-aided engineering application. All of this we used for intelligent decision-making and for automated analysis and optimization. In our case, we combine RPA, DPA, and computer-aided engineering application. Our concept of the autodidactic teaching portal is looked like the left figure. We create a portal for different BIM roles like author, user, coordinator, and manager. In each role, the end user has to solve different tasks. For example, when you click on the BIM author, he comes to the user interface. It describes the module, the learner objectives, the didactic tools, the tasks, and he has a field to upload their solution. The result is checked automatically by the RPA bot on Excerpt. The portal is displayed on different devices. The IT infrastructure of the portal is shown on the left in the left figure. The end user goes via the user interface of the PC or mobile to the homepage. There you can find the BIM nuggets, the BIM trainer, and a link for the learning portal. The portal is an information management system for providing the tasks, entering solutions, and communicate results. On the right side, you see the standard IT infrastructure from Bizagi that we're using. In more detail, when the end user clicks on the module 1.1, he has to model with Revit. At first, he has to model the foundation. For this, he imports the reference plan and model based on the reference. After his modeling, he exported and uploaded the IFC file back to the DPA portal. If he then click on the Check Solution button, the RPA bot works automatically. He checks automatically the modeling skills. The backend you can see on the right figure. After the check, he's sharing the results back to the DPA portal. How the portal is working, it demonstrates the next short video. At first, you go on our homepage wissen-aufladen.de. You go to the trainer and you go down to the module 08 BIM certificate. Here you see the concept and you find the link to the learning portal. If you log in, you give an overview about your modules. Clicking on it, you come to the user interface. Here you see the welcome site of the module 1.1. It is important to enter your full name for the certificate. After this, you click on Next and you see the first task. You see the timestamp and the time you need to solve the task. You see follow information about the didactic tools to learn objectives. And you get further information about the IFC expert. If you understand the didactic tools, the learning objects, and the contents, you come to the task is described step by step. When you finish your work, you can upload your model in the solution file, the digital item 1, and then you can click on the Check Solution button. Now the RPA bot is running. He imports your IFC model and check them by themselves, full automatically. After he has checked the modeling skills, he saves the report. If he has saved the reports, he sends it back to the DPA portal. But first, you have to delete your model to run or to prove again. In the portal, he uploaded the file, the report, and the DPA portal checked how many open issues are there. If there are any open issues, the task is not passed. If there are any open issues, the task is passed. For example, here, no open issues, the task is passed. And now you can click on Save and go to the next slide. On the last slide, you can create or generate your certificate. And your work is done. Yes, for further information, go on our website wissen-aufladen.de. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.